Okay, welcome to the first lawn renovation video of 2025. We're starting back at the Posh Job, and today we're going to be scarifying using the customer's WEEDOL scarifier. As we can see just up close, we've got a load of blades that spin around really fast, and this gives us a power rake action. And what this does, it gets out all the thatch that has built up over the last few months, over the winter especially, as we've had lots of rain. And what happens is, as you can see, the lawn's just really matted, and what happens is if we didn't get all this out, the new grass from this year would grow through, and that patchiness would sink through, and that would become our thatch layer, what we call the thatch layer. And this is the build-up of all that dead grass, and over time the grass will keep on growing, and if you didn't take it out, you would get that spongy lawn, and your feet would sink into it, and your mower would sink into it. So we have to do this every year. So if you want a nice lawn, even if it's not a top-notch lawn, you should be doing this at least once a year, just to get rid of all this build-up, so you don't get your feet sinking or your mower sinking into your lawn. And one of the other key benefits of getting all this thatch out is that air can blow through and dry at the surface, and the roots just get a little bit of air as well. So as you can see, we've just finished. We're not doing a heavy one today, we're just making the work lighter as the year goes forward. So as you can see there, we've taken out a load of thatch and a few twigs as well. And what we're doing now is we've just got the Hater 48 Pro out, and this is a rotary mower, and what this is doing is acting like a vacuum cleaner, and not only vacuuming up what we've scarified out, we're also giving it a cut today as well, getting it down. And as you can see, I'm putting double stripes in, just so that when we put the fertiliser on after we've finished mowing, we have some guidelines so we can get a really accurate application. Another benefit to cutting the lawn as we go as well is that we're starting to reduce the height of the lawn, so that when we come to do our big renovation, we've not got as much material to take out or cut off. So that's the mowing taken care of. So we're just going on now with our Rise and Shine spring fertiliser, looking how I'm getting it nice and accurate, following my guidelines. This is just going to wake up the lawn, know we're there, just to get it growing, so that when we come to do our big scarify, the lawn is already in a position where it can begin to recover really quickly. The Rise and Shine on. Now I'm just going on with a few products in the sprayer. We're going on with some Inhibit and some Dan's Winter Magic, and I've got in there as well a bit of wetting agent, just to help the water that's coming with the rain, help that through. So we're going to be in a good position in a couple of weeks, and I think this is going to look a lot better than it does now. Okay, so that's this video done. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and it's given you something to look forward to. And if you can get on your lawn, please do, because it'll only thank you going forward. So join us next time when we'll be doing something else lawn related here on Daniel Hibbert, Lawn Expert. Bye for now.